A very simple explanation of how you can receive money on PayPal. So if you want to receive money on PayPal, all we have to do is log in into your PayPal account, and then we click on the cogwheel right here at the top right corner. And then here you should have your paypal.me set up. If you don't already have your paypal.me link set up, then here you should get the option to create a paypal.me link. I'm just going to copy this. And if you don't get it right here, you can just go to the main page of PayPal and you can set up your paypal.me link right here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you actually go to the paypal.me link. So you are referred to this page right here, and then people click on send, and right here it asks them the amount that they want to send as well as the currency that they will use to send you money. And then after that they select what the payment is for. You can make it a gift, and then it will go directly into your bank account once, or a PayPal account once people send you the payment. So it is as simple as that. That's how you receive money on PayPal. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.